Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. All right, you guys, this is my second harvest of the season, and some of these was volunteers with the potatoes, you guys. Let's see. Some of these over here was volunteers on the left side of the raised bed area. I got lots of volunteers this year. I did not do a lot of focusing on growing potatoes this year, but I got a lot of volunteers. So this is what some of the volunteers is looking like. Purple and red potatoes. I have some fingerlings at the bottom. I think I only sowed a few potatoes over in my small raised bed that's against the house where I got some more potatoes. But for the most part, these were surprise volunteers. Okay, over here is my squash patch along with my cucumber area. My squash patch is not doing as well as it has been doing for the last 3 years. There's some heat exhaustion out there. There's some a serious intrusion of the vine borers. They are going crazy over there, I think, due to the heat exhaustion. Right now, everything is looking like just exhausted from heat. And also, I think the deers put a damper on that as well. So it slowed down my production. I was happy to get this. So my plan is to clear out the squash patch, do a succession planting, and resow some more seeds similar. I forgot the name of all of these squashes that I did plant. This is the first time growing this one. I forgot the name of it. This one is my first time growing as well. And that's different. And this one is a different one too. And I forgot the name of this one. So I have to go back, check my seed stash and see which was which. I believe this is my White Wonder, kind of like a mini White Wonder, I believe. And I do have another overgrown cucumber. These look like the ones that come in the jar in the bodega. So, yeah, I'm going to definitely try to pickle this one. And like I said, my squash has definitely been affected. So my crook necks, my yellow necks, you know, the yellow ones have all different types of names. They are definitely struggling this season. So like I said, I'm going to reseed. Some of these I decided to just go ahead and take them off while they were small, because the vines look so bad out there. I don't even think they're going to get any bigger. I will keep an eye out on it throughout the week, but my plan is to definitely go ahead, pull those exhausted vines out, and just start all over. I still got time to start all over. I did get lots of work done around the yard today. So we harvested potatoes. I weeded out a lot. I pruned back a lot. Some of the tomato plants. I had to trellis a lot of my tomato plants up. I had to prune a lot of my tomato plants, as well as my peppers. I went around the yard and actually gave everything a dose of worm castings and some slow release fertilizer. What else? Let's see what else I did. Oh, I put some green beans in my salad bar grow area, my salad bar grow table, because I didn't have anything growing in those two green bags that sit on top. I just left those alone, but I got tired of seeing them just sitting there, so I sowed some Blue Lake green beans in there, in one of them anyway, and I'm undecided if I'm going to put some lettuce in the other one. So let's see, I pruned back my blueberries, my first blueberry patch over there with the raspberries in there. Like I said, those are very invasive. They are actually going into my strawberry patch grow bag, which I'm not worried about, because I'm going to be transforming my whole right side. So I'm going to definitely be sowing to my strawberries in a different raised bed for next year, so that I could get a better harvest And again, I'm going to be rearranging my whole right side. My whole right side is going to be transformed, and then I'll work my way over to my left side because there's some things that need to be changed out as far as my raised beds. And you know, as you garden, you come up with other plans that'll make it easier for you to garden and also maximize your space that you do have. So as the 4 years have passed, I see different ways that I can maximize my space without making it so cluttered with buckets. Y'all know I went bucket crazy. First year, everything was buckets and raised beds. So I've definitely, hold on, you guys. I definitely went around this year to simplify my grow area, especially with the buckets, because it became so tight and I was tripping, I was falling, because I was trying to have something growing in every aspect of the garden. So I did decrease on my buckets. So throughout the 4 months, I will be working on all my different, if you want to call it, upgrades, renovations, plans on how I can maximize my space to where it can flow even a little bit better for me, and actually make it a little bit easier. Because you know, when you pushing those 60s, you want to garden smarter, not harder. So that's where I'm at. So that's what I will definitely be working on for this fall coming. And you guys, this is SEK's second harvest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my harvest and some of my updates, some of my future plans. And SEK the Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for cheering me on. I see your comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. And continue to be safe out there. Continue to prep. Continue to can. And continue to coupon. I'm going to get back to them coupon videos, you guys. But okay, you guys, so I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.